So student, see in your textbook page number 5, second paragraph. As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. She was quite studious and intelligent. She fared well in sport as well as in studies. Her forte was mathematics. Her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. Slowly, many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics, help which she readily and cheerfully gave. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. Now, girls from the class also befriended her. So, student, as the term progress. So, student, what is meaning as the term progress? As the term progress means as the first term means as the class progress, it was abundantly clear. Abundantly means very much to all that Malti was a bright child. So student, bright means she was clever and smart girl. Means everyone knows that Malti was not ordinary girl. She was very smart girl. So student, she was quite studious and intelligent. So studious means all time study or preparing a study, and she was very intelligent, and she also forte was mathematics. So student, forte means very good. She was very good in mathematics subject, and her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. So student, she was very good in sport also as well as study, and forte means very good, and she was very good in math, and she is very simple means she dressed very simple. She did not make very fashionable dress, and belied means she had not to show off her sharp brain, and nimble means quick to understand thing, means she was very smart and intelligent, and she was very quick understand any subject. So student, she also ready to help other girls, means seeking help, means taking her help. So when other student had difficulty in math, they asked to Malti, and so she was not proud of herself. So she was very good in math, so she always ready to help other her friends or other girls. So any girl who would to come and to ask her for help, so she would easily and readily and very happily give. So all teachers had liked to respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. So student, all teachers liked to Malti because she was very respectful girl, she was very intelligent girl from the class beginning. Okay, and now girls from the class also befriended her, means all class girls also like to Malti and began to friendship with her. Now student, listen next paragraph or listen carefully. Not Rima and her colleague though. They stubbornly dislike Malti. They were a stylish lot, and nothing that Malti did could alter the fact that she was not their type. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English. So student, all class girls befriended with Malti, but not Rima and her colleague though. Means student, colleague means group of friends. In your also class, some student, your friend, that is called group of friends. So Rima and her group of friends did not befriend with Malti. So they stubbornly dislike Malti. So stubbornly means not ready to compromise. They dislike Malti. Rima and her friends, because Rima and her friend very stylish, but Malti was not stylish girl. She was very simple girl. So Rima and their friends thought that she was not our type. But Malti was so good in study. So she was very good in math, in sport, and she was very intelligent at study. So, and she was also very helpful. But yet they did not like Malti. Means Rima and her colleague did not like Malti. Malti could alter the fact that she was not their type. So alter means change. So student, alter means change. Change the fact that they think that she did not our type, means Rima's type. So because she does not dress in stylish manner, so they will always find a chance. Always find a chance. They will find a opportunity. Find a chance means find a opportunity to poke fun. So poke fun means to make fun of her, and particularly her English. So student, you know Malti's English is very poor quality. So Rima and her friend always find an opportunity, find a chance to make of fun her English language. So now next paragraph. Malti felt bad about their behavior. One day she was on the verge of tears when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said ox instead of ass. So student, one day what happened we see here. Malti felt bad about their behavior. Means Malti did not like this, did not like Rima and her friends' behavior. One day she was on the verge of tears. So student, what is the meaning of verge of tears? Verge of tears means about to start crying. This called verge of tears, means crying, start crying. Why Malti crying? Because Rima mocked at her mercilessly. So mock means teaching her. Rima teach her mercilessly. Mercilessly means without showing any mercy. So she, why? Because she mispronouncing ask, and she said instead of ask, she said ox. So Rima mocked her. So now next paragraph. Her voice trembling, Malti said, I know my English is weak, yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? And then Malti asked to Rima, my English is not good, very weak, but your English is very good. Can you help me to improve my English subject or my English language? But her voice is very trembling. Trembling means very shaky. When student, you know, when we are very sad mood, at that time our voice is very trembling, means very shaky. That is called trembling. So Malti's voice is very trembling, and she asked very innocently to Rima, please will you help me to improve it? Then, so student, we see what said Rima to Malti. I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima. And Rima replied that I won't be able to help you, my dear, with an exaggerated accent. Speaking proper English is not easy for you countrified types. And Rima said that in exaggerated accent. Exaggerated accent means very badly. She said very badly to Malti, speaking proper English is not easy for you countrified types, means you can't speak proper English. So student, see on next page. Malti's face turned red. She wanted to retort but could not find the right words. She burst into tears and ran off. So student, Malti's face turned red. Turn red means she was very about cry. Student, you know when you are very sad, your face color is red. So Malti's face turned red and she wanted to reply back. So retort. Retort means reply back. She wanted to retort. She wanted to reply back, but could not find. She could not find any words, and she burst into tears. So student burst into tears means she start crying loudly and run off. Means she go away of this place. So that was horrid, Rima, said Shehnaz. And then Rima's friend Shehnaz said that was horrid. Horrid means very horrible. That is very horrible, Rima. Yes, agreed Neha and Claire roundly. Roundly means also both says like this. Yes, that is very horrible. That is very horrid. Means Rima's friend said against to Rima and said that is very horrible. Her behavior is not good with Malti. Then Rima was shocked. Student, you know why Rima was shocked? She was shocked because she thought that her friend take a side of Malti and her own friends had turned against her. They talk about Malti's side. So she walked off in a huff. So student, huff means in anger. So she walked off. Walked off means to go away of. Walked off means to go away of that place in very anger. So now next line. Mrs. Sen found her subdued over lunch but decided not to ask anything. So Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. She was too proud to admit it even to herself. So Mrs. Sen means Rima's mother. Rima's mother found means Rima's mother see that Rima was very quiet, subdued, very quiet, and over lunch means in lunch time Rima was very silent or quiet, but she decided that not to ask anything to Rima. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly, and Rima herself behaved very badly. It realized to Rima. So Mrs. Sen decided to not ask anything to Rima. She was too proud to admit it even to herself. Admit it means realize. She was too proud at her realize her behavior even to herself. From odd one in by Tithi Tavera. So student, if you want what happened next in this story, so read this book Odd One In. This is written by Tithi Tavera. Okay student, you understand?